Hare Krishna devotees. So welcome to this tutorial video where we are going to learn about the breaks between the fast beat. So we have learned till now I think 4 variations of the fast beat, and this break which we are learning today, it can be applied to any of the fast beat. Okay, so any of the fast beat you can take and try to apply. So today I will tell you how we can first we'll practice this break, and then I will tell you the application in the upcoming videos. So how this what are the bowls? Okay, tak 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 titak titak. Okay, you can see on the screen, and I will put in the description also. Tak 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 1 2 3 4 tak 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 titak tak. Okay, so what is taka? Okay, taka is, you can see parallelly both the hands, big side close plus one finger out. Together, tak. This is tak. Okay, tak, tak, tak. So 4 times you do this. Tak, 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 tak. Tak, 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 tak. Tak, 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 tak. Tak, 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 tak. Okay. Tak, 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 tak. Again, tak. Then ti. What is ti is 4 finger out. Only one hand. Okay, not the other hand. Ti. See. So ti. So next 4 I will tell you now. First tak 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 tak. That is 4. Next 4 are tak. Okay, sorry. Big side close. Tak. Ti. Tak. Ti. Tak. So tak. Ti. Tak. Ti. Tak. Tak. Ti. Tak. Ti. Tak. Got it? Tak. Ti. Tak. Ti. Tak. 5 you are there, sorry. Tak, ti, tak, ti, tak. So, tak, 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 ti, tak, ti, tak. Tak, 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 ti, tak, ti, tak. Did I play wrong? Okay. Tak, 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 ti, tak, ti, tak. Tak, 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 ti, tak, ti, tak. Got it? Last 4. Tak, ti, tak, ti, tak. Tak, ti, tak, ti, tak. Ending at the tak. So, tak, 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 ti, tak, ti, tak. Got it? How it will sound? Tak, 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 ti, tak, ti, tak. Tak, 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 ti, tak, ti, tak. Tak, 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 ti, tak, ti, tak. Tak, 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 ti, tak, ti, tak. Tak, 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 ti, tak, ti, tak. Got it? Now let's play one fast beat. I will take the third variation. Dhena ghinnate, dhena ghinnate, dhena ghinnate, ghinnate, dhena ghinnate, dhena ghinnate. And you try to recollect. So 3 fingers we used to play. See, tak 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 titak titak ghinnate. I am picking up at ghinnate. Okay, but while playing the fast beat, pick up at dhena. But when you end the tihai, the break, you pick it up at ghinnate. The application we will learn in the next video. Just try to play without the kirtan now in this video. Okay. Ghinnate, dhena 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 ghinnate, tak 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 ghinnate, dhena ghinnate, dhena ghinnate, dhena ghinnate. ginnate, ginnate, tak 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 ginnate, 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 tak 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 tak. Got it? Very easy, right? Please try to practice this. Next video we will learn how we can apply this in the kirtan, fast beat kirtan.